Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to fix one of your items that's on Bluetooth. So let's say your mouse is not working right, but for me it's my controller. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to type in Bluetooth device settings. Oh wait, wait, hold on, whoa. Is my okay? We're good. Okay, I thought my drone was messing up. Okay, so yeah, type in Bluetooth. Okay, and then once you type in Bluetooth, you're gonna see the devices that you have here. I'm gonna remove the Bluetooth one, so you're gonna remove the Bluetooth item that you are having issues with. Remove. Okay, and then once you do that, you're gonna want to type in device manager. Okay, and then once you type in device manager, you're gonna want to find where it is. You know what I'm saying? It could have been one of those peripheral, like if it, since it's a controller for me, it might be in one of my peripheral items. Let's see, other devices. No, I'm gonna find it on my end. So if you have it, it should show on Bluetooth. It may be under here, under the Bluetooth area. And then once you go here, you would go to it, and then you would just uninstall the driver, or disable it if you're trying to figure it out, trying to fix it. But it may show there. But yeah, the cool thing is I don't see it anywhere. But if it was on here, then it would have been in my drivers, and I would have went here, uninstalled it, or delete it from here, just right clicking on it and hitting uninstall and deleting it. But yeah, so that's how you fix a Bluetooth driver, and then you're gonna plug in the device again, and then it should reinstall the driver of the Bluetooth device. So definitely try that. Let me know if it fixed your issue. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.